Please mark your attendance in what is sources engineering.
मैम एनरोलमेंट नहीं हुआ है मेरा।
यस, क्या हुआ है?
एनरोलमेंट नहीं हुआ है मैम। पिछले क्लास में
इनरोलमेंट
आपने
नहीं
बताया।
हुआ है।
यस।
ठीक है, जिन लोग का इनरोल है ऑलरेडी वो लोग अपना अटेंडेंस मार्क कर लो। Okay, so as we discussed, shear force acting on the sediment equal to gamma WRS. Okay, this is the either we can say shear force, tractive force, drag force, or friction force. Okay, acting on the sediment by water. This point is clear. So the maximum stress induced by any flow occur at the point of great depth, that is higher depth, or at the center of any channel. So that value we can also write tau max. Tau max equal to gamma W by into S, and where Y is the highest water depth in channel. So this formula also we can use for maximum stress. For maximum stress, which stress? Maximum shear stress acting at the sediment at highest depth. Okay, y is what? Y is highest depth of channel. Y is the highest depth of channel. Okay, so actual distribution of shear force in a channel is observed that this is the channel, and this is a canal, and how the shear force is acting, above the canal. So this is the FSL, full supply level. Okay, this is the FSL, and shear force also we can show from at the bed of the, firstly at the bed of the canal is from this one, this direction. Okay, and at the side of the, at this direction, and from this side it can be this one. This is the shear force distribution, shear stress distribution in the channel. Okay, so this is the tau Vm, shear force at bed. This is the tau Sm, shear force at side. Okay, so generally this depth is that means if maximum here tau sm is tau मतलब shear stress at side is maximum at this point, and here also we can show this red line is the shear stress is maximum at bed. Shear stress is maximum at bed at this point. So this height is generally taken as 2 by 3y from the FSL. 2 by 3y from the FSL. Okay. And value of tau sm is generally taken as 0.75 gamma WYS. Okay. And value of tau Vm is generally taken as 0.97 gamma WYS. And what is the Y? Y is the highest depth. And what is the S? S is the bed slope. This point is clear, and gamma W is already known, that is unit weight of water. This is clear. So remember this value is the shear stress at side maximum 0.75 gamma WYS, and shear stress at bed maximum is 0.97 gamma WYS. This point is clear. So to prevent a scoring canal bed of soil particle, that should be shear stress of canal bed soil particle should be less than shear strength of canal bed soil particle. So if this condition is satisfied, then scoring is not occur. So condition should be for not scoring. Condition should be for not scoring. So for prevention of a scoring, shear stress at canal bed soil particle should be less than shear strength of canal bed soil particle. So means that shear strength, this value should be less than shear strength. So shear stress is what? Shear stress is acting on the soil surface. And what is the shear strength? Shear strength is the soil capability. Soil shear strength on soil, on मतलब soil का अपना shear strength. Okay. So if shear stress means acting shear strength is less than shear strength of soil particle, in that condition scoring is not possible. मतलब हमारे पास जितना फोर्स है, हमारा जो स्ट्रेंथ है, उससे कम स्ट्रेंथ से अगर हमें कोई खींच रहा है तो हम उसके तरफ नहीं खींचा जाएंगे. ठीक है. तो दैट कंडीशन इज हियर फॉलो कि अगर सॉइल का अपना shear स्ट्रेंथ अगर ज्यादा है एक्टिंग shear स्ट्रेंथ से, so in that condition a scoring is not done. So this is the condition for prevention of a scoring. Okay, this point is clear. So maximum shear strength at bed is written here, that is maximum shear strength at bed is 0.97 gamma W/S. Okay, and shear strength of soil is considered 0.056 gamma WV into G minus 1. According to Sild theory, this is considered at 0.056 gamma WD. Okay. So from the above condition of prevention of a scoring, that should be written as 0.97 gamma WRS should be less than equal to 0.056 gamma WD into G minus 1. Okay, this point is clear.
मैम ऊपर में बी शायद लिख दिए हैं 0.056 गामा डब्ल्यू इंटू बी
इंटू
यहाँ पर ये बी.
अच्छा, ये डी होगा, नॉट बी. it's D. Okay. Okay. So from
Yes, ma'am.
these two equation, put the generally G is taken for soil is 2.7, either 2.65. It's already given in question, but consider for soil 0.6 to 0.7. 2.6 to 2.7. So here consider according to Shield, G value of G is 2.65. So correlate this value in terms of D. So we find by solving these two equations, put the value of 2.65 and gamma W, that D greater than equal to 10.49 RS, and that can be also write 11 RS. Okay. This is the condition for prevent a scoring of side slope particle. Okay, this is the condition for prevention of scoring. Okay,
मैम ये स्कोरिंग क्या होता है?
स्कोरिंग क्या होता है? स्कोरिंग नहीं पढ़े हो? स्कोरिंग क्या होता है? स्कोरिंग
वाटर हाई वेलोसिटी अगर करता है करवाए साथ जो पार्टिकल्स फ्लो करता है उसको स्कोरिंग बोलते हैं। एक जगह पर मिट्टी कहीं और जाके डिपॉजिट हो जाता है मैम, तो उसको स्कोरिंग
और कुछ बता सकते हो? स्कोरिंग क्या होता है? एक जगह से मिट्टी दूसरी जगह ले जाते हैं, दैट इज सेडिमेंट, नॉट स्कोरिंग। And sediment due to scoring. So exactly what do you mean by scoring? Dharini, not audible. Dharini, your voice is not. Amit Kumar Parmanik.
Yes, ma'am.
Amit, okay. What is scoring?
मैम स्कोरिंग में मैम जो सैंड पार्टिकल रहता है वो हायर वेलोसिटी का वाटर से वो मतलब रिमूव होके दूसरा जगह डिपॉजिट हो जाता है, तो जिस जगह रिमूव होता है उस जगह पे लाइनिंग बन जाता है या फिर होल्स बन जाता है, उसी को स्कोरिंग बोलते हैं।
This is only for sand particle.
नहीं, अदर पार्टिकल भी रहेगा मैम उसमें कुछ मतलब बेस का रिवर बेड में जो पार्टिकल रहेगा वो पार्टिकल को रिमूव करके वहां पे ये बना देता है, लाइनिंग टाइप का बना देता है।
Okay. Deepa, now clear scoring process. दीपा?
मैम तो नॉर्मली हम लोग सॉइल इरोजन को ही बोलेंगे।
हाँ, वन टाइप ऑफ इरोजन। स्कोरिंग मीन्स व्हाट? पानी के फ्लो के साथ हमारा जो लेयर है वो क्या हो गया? स्कोर हो गया, मतलब वहां से रिमूव हो गया हायर वेलोसिटी की वजह से। ठीक है, मतलब सॉइल पार्टिकल में
Yes,
हमारा क्या था? शियर स्ट्रेंथ काफी लेस था, इस वजह से जो फ्लो आया, जो ट्रैक्टिव फोर्स जो वाटर के थ्रू जो एक्ट हुआ, दैट ट्रैक्टिव फोर्स इज हायर देन शियर स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ सॉइल। इन दैट कंडीशन soil is a score, soil is removed from his on place and move with water and placed or deposit at other place. So deposit process is known as silting. Okay, deposit portion matlab soil deposit from other place, that is known as silting process. And what is a scoring? A scoring is similar as erosion. Okay, scoring is similar as erosion, that means particle removed from his own place. Okay, now clear? Scoring is clear?
yes, ma'am.
तो हम लोग कहाँ पे थे? हाँ, to prevention of scoring of side slope particle, and that is condition is derived by shield, that should be D should be greater than equal to 11 RS. This is the condition for no scoring or prevention for scoring. Okay, this point is clear. What is R? R is the R equal to A by P, that is hydraulic mean radius, and what is S? S is the bed slope. This point is clear. So from
Yes,
this
ma'am.
relation we can solve a previous question that is already given you. So analyze that question, and also this relation can be modified in terms of that value is related for bed prevention, bed portion prevention, and if side slope prevention, so gamma D condition is 0.75 gamma WRS and equal is this should be less than equal to 0.056 gamma WD into G minus 1, and side slope, for side slope, so we can also consider theta, that is sin squared theta by 1 sin squared phi. These all relation given by shield. Okay, these all relation related to shield theory. So phi is the internal friction angle of soil particle which is placed in sediment, in terms of sediment also known. So theta is, what is theta? Theta is the side slope. So condition for prevention of side slope scoring, that should be 0.75 RS less than equal to D by 11 under root 1 minus sin square theta by sin square phi. So this is very simple relation. हमने क्या कैलकुलेट किया था? मैक्सिमम शियर स्ट्रेंथ, maximum shear stress at bed and maximum shear stress at side. डायग्राम में हमने दिखाया था. So from these two values we can find the condition for no scoring. ठीक है? This point is clear to everyone? So for side slope,
यहाँ पर थीटा एंड फाई क्या है ये वो फिर से बता दीजिए ना.
theta is the side slope. Theta is the side slope of the canal. So canal is the this one. Canal is the this one. So this is the theta. This is the theta of side slope. Okay. And bed slope is already given. Bed slope is already given in terms of S. That is 1:2500 given in question. But theta is the side slope, that is 1h into 1v, है ना? This is the side slope. Okay, so from this relation we can calculate theta, and phi is the internal friction angle between soil particle which is present in sediment. Okay, phi is internal friction angle of soil particle. Now clear?
यस मैम. फाई गिवन रहेगा क्वेश्चन में मैम कि इसका भी फॉर्मूला है.
Phi will be already given and theta will be already given. So now we can solve question. So in question we have to analyze for no scoring condition. That means scoring is possible or not. So try to solve question. So for bed scoring, for prevention of bed scoring के लिए condition क्या था? What is the condition? D should be greater than equal to 11 RS. And for side scoring, what is the condition? For no scoring in side slope, that is 0.75 RS less than equal to D by 11 under root 1 minus sin square theta divided by 1 sine square phi. So read the question again. So question is, water flow at a depth of 0.6 meter in a wide stream having a bed slope 1 in 2500. The mean dia of sand bed is 1 mm. Determine whether the soil grain are stationary or moving, and comment also whether a stream bed is scoring or not. So for the second statement, is their bed stream is scoring or not? So we can analyze by this relation. Okay. So D is given. What is the value of D? D is the depth. So depth is given 1 mm. Depth is given 1 mm. Okay. So calculate the value 11 RS.
डेप्थ तो 0.6 मीटर है ना मैम.
That is the flow depth.
मैम यहाँ पे डी डाया होगा ना पार्टिकल का.
The mean dia of sand weight. Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah. The mean dia is given 1 mm. So calculate 11 RS, value of 11 RS. D should be greater than 11 RS.
मैम यहाँ पे आर का वैल्यू कैसे फाइंड करेंगे.
कैसे फाइंड करेंगे?
मैम लेंथ ऑफ कैनाल ये सब तो कुछ दिया ही हुआ नहीं है कि एरिया पेरीमीटर निकालेंगे.
डी का वैल्यू आर का वैल्यू 227 आ रहा है मैम. 227 नहीं 227.27 है. वही होगा.
हमारे पास एक और कंडीशन है, दैट इज फॉर मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेस, मैक्सिमम शियर स्ट्रेस. We can also calculate gamma W by S, where Y is the maximum depth.
मैम डी के प्लेस में 1 रख के कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं ना.
कैसे कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो? देखो, find the 11 RS. R, what is R? So for wide channel, condition is given wide channel. So for wide channel, we can use R equal to Y. R equal to Y. Okay, and Y is given, that is 0.6 meter.
मैम 136.36.
Any other value?
No, no, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry. Ma'am, 2.6 4 into to the power -3.
मैम यहाँ पे जो डी का वैल्यू है वो mm में रहेगा या मीटर में रहेगा?
D in mm.
मैम तो mm में आएगा तो 11 RS का वैल्यू हो जाएगा 26.4 mm।
26.4 mm. mm.
यस मैम।
Any other value?
तो मैम इतना ही आ रहा मैम, इतना आ रहा 2.64 into 10 to the power -3 आ रहा, तो हमें मीटर में है मैम।
प्लीज चेक अगेन, तुम लोग कहीं एरर कर रहे हो। इतना ज्यादा वैल्यू आएगा तो फिर कंपेयर कैसे करेंगे? हियर d इज गिवन 1 mm एंड यू कैलकुलेटेड द वैल्यू 26 mm.
हम 2.64 mm आ रहा है मैम, 2.26 नहीं 2.64 mm।
यस मैम 2.64 है।
S is given. What is the value of S? Bed slope
1/2500।
calculate this value. How much? 11 RS.
2.64 mm।
2.64 mm. Is this correct? किसी को कुछ और भी वैल्यू आ रहा है?
तो मैम इतना ही है।
Okay. So 11 RS is 2.64 mm and condition is what? Condition is D should be less than equal to 11 RS. So what is the value of D? D is given 1 mm. So D less than equal to 2.64. So that means what? It is condition for a scoring or not a scoring?
मैम ये स्कोरिंग हो जाएगा मैम।
What is the for no scoring condition? For no scoring? नो स्कोरिंग के लिए कंडीशन क्या था? कंडीशन फॉर नो स्कोरिंग अभी डिस्कस किया गया ना। फॉर नो स्कोरिंग डी शुड बी 11 RS greater than equal to 11 RS. So D अभी D क्या आ रहा है? D less than 11 RS. So that means what? Shear stress is also more than shear strength. Sorry, D is less than 11 RS. That means what? Scoring or not?
स्कोरिंग मैम।
होगा मैम,
Scoring होगा।
होगा।
Okay. ठीक है, write again another question that is for both condition, either a scoring or not, or also for bed slope and also for side slope. So write a question. An unlined irrigation canal An unlined irrigation canal has width and side composed by cohesionless material having mean dia equal to 6 mm and angle of internal friction is 40 degree. Okay, the width of channel can be taken as 5 meter and side slope is taken as 1.5 is to 1.5 h is to 1 v. Find the discharge that can be admitted into the canal without sediment movement. Assume channel bottom slope is 1 is to 5000 and in coefficient of Manning's value also given, that is 0.025. Question is clear to everyone? I repeat again, an unlined irrigation canal has width and side composed of cohesionless material having mean dia 6 mm and angle of internal friction is 40 degree. The width of channel can be taken as 5 meter and side slope of 1.5 h is to 1 v. Find the discharge that can be admitted into the canal without sediment movement. It is 0.02. So what is Manning equation? Q equal to what? Q equal to 1 by N into area into R to the power 2 by 3 is not to the power 1 by 2. Check the formula. Is it correct or not? Check the formula.
Yes, ma'am, correct.
So S naught is already given, R is already given, N is given, and we can calculate area also. Width is given, side slope is also given, so we can calculate area of trapezoidal channel and find the discharge, and also we can find condition for no scoring, that is D should be greater than equal to 11 RS for the bed. So what is the value of area? What is the discharge?
समझ में नहीं आ रहा है।
मैम डेप्थ का वैल्यू कैसे निकालेंगे फिर?
डिस्चार्ज का वैल्यू हमें कैलकुलेट करना है।
यस मैम, तो एरिया का फॉर्मूला में तो डी आता है ना?
क्या होता है फॉर्मूला ट्रेपेजॉइडल सेक्शन के लिए?
बी प्लस एस डी इंटू डी, एरिया इज इक्वल टू मैम,
और साइड स्लोप